this headset you will get in the box is a USB cable, and this USB cable length is a 2 meter, 3.5mm audio jack cable, pluggable microphone with 3.5mm jack. You can bend this microphone in any direction, left, right, according to our needs. We also have a 3.5mm cable. The cord is long, about 6 feet. So there is a on-off switch for microphone and volume scroll along with the volume adjustment, so you can easily access. XI900 headset. The padding inside of the headset is really comfortable for long session. I really like this headset design. This headphone design looks so cool and awesome. I am using this headphone like 1 month and it's really awesome. I am still using this and I didn't got any problem yet. And it's really working good. Sound quality is so great. So coming to mic quality is really good. In this video I record all audios with this headset. So in last video audio is also recorded by this headset. In this video also I am using this headset microphone. And you stay quiet for a moment, you can listen all the noises. You guys can notice Emma noises it's captured. So now you know how good quality is of this mic, good or bad. And best part of this headphone is that there is a lock system in headphone plugins, so you can connect microphone and you can lock it in headset. After using 1 month this headset, I can tell it's really good. I really enjoy it. And it's really good quality product, and it's also in budget, so that's really cool. So there is no problems comes. I use this headset every day, and this headset is comfortable with PC, PS4, Switch and Xbox, also and Android devices. I think this headset is perfect for gamers, streamers, for listening music, gaming, watching movies. Overall this headset sound quality is really good. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on like, share and subscribe button, and comment below guys what you think about this headset and let me know. Also you can suggest me guys for next video. Peace.